Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Face ID and Passcode section. Then scroll down. Choose Turn Passcode On and tap on Passcode Options. Then select the best one for you by clicking on it. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. I will go with 4 digits, so when I click, I need to create it. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to change your passcode because it's too easy. I will just tap on Use Anyway because this is only an example. So now I can repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that passcode is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!